Dodging clichés. Elevate your conclusion. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the art of conclusion writing, specifically focusing on one major pitfall: clichés and overused phrases. By avoiding these, you can make your conclusions stand out and resonate more authentically with readers. A cliché is an idea or phrase that has been overused to the point of losing its original meaning or effect. It's something that has been heard so many times that it no longer sounds original. Using clichés can make your writing seem lazy or uninspired. Let's look at some of the most common clichés found in conclusions. 1. In conclusion. While it directly signals the end, it's so widely used that it can seem predictable. 2. All in all. This is another wrap-up phrase that's lost its luster. 3. As I've always said. This implies a repetitive point. 4. At the end of the day. This is an idiom that's been used excessively in both written and spoken English. By identifying these and other clichés, you can start to replace them with more original phrases. 1. Stay aware. Recognize the clichés. The first step in avoiding them is knowing what they are. 2. Be authentic. Instead of relying on a generic phrase, think about what you genuinely want to convey. Express your unique perspective. 3. Read widely. The more diverse your reading, the richer your vocabulary and the broader your range of expressions. 4. Revise and edit. Always review your writing. If you find clichés, think of how you can rephrase. Let's revisit those clichés from Section 2 and think of fresh ways to convey the same ideas. 1. Instead of, in conclusion, you could use 2. To sum up. 3. Wrapping things up. 4. Taking everything into account. 5. For, all in all. Consider. 6. Overall. 7. Considering the facts. 8. Rather than, as I've always said. Think about. 9. As previously pointed out. 10. As highlighted earlier. 11. Instead of, at the end of the day, you might use 12. Ultimately. 13. When all is said and done. These are just starting points. The key is to be genuine and creative in your expressions. There you have it, learners. By recognizing and avoiding clichés, you'll elevate your conclusions, making them more compelling and memorable. Always strive for authenticity in your writing. Remember, your unique voice is your greatest asset. We hope this lesson aids you in your SAT and ACT essay preparation. Keep writing, and keep shining.